I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Select Avada Forms as a trigger. Click on the Fetch button and go to your form page to submit it and fetch the Avada Forms. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to your integration site and here you can see that the Avada Forms fetched successfully. Change the data types of the email and phone number. Set action. Search and select System.io. Give here the API key. So please visit System.io API key in secret. Create. Give here a meaningful API key name. Save. Copy the API key and paste it into the integration site. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose tag. Map the respective fields. Here is an advanced feature in conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Now visit your form page, fill it out, and submit it. Form submitted successfully. Go to the System.io dashboard and navigate to the contacts. Here you can see data came successfully in the System.io. Thanks for watching.